house of my aunt, where the basis from which Moses received the Ten Commandments when he went to school in the temples of Anu, in the Kemetic nation of Chaldea, in the Nile Valley, in the land now restored.
Greetings, family. It's beyond your dinner time, close the supper, and if you're feeling a little hungry, you're in a market. So we appreciate those who arrived very early. We really do. So thank you for your patience. But it's a market, and in markets there's a little bit of chaos, even when organized. And so we invite you to just chill and have a good time this evening. Let us not be bothering with skippings and all of those things. We're just going to have a good time. What are we here for? Where are we? We're at Kingston Night Market. Kingston Night Market. In 2016, Kingston joined 135 cities and became a creative city of music. So any kind of live activity like this happening in Kingston helps Jamaica to keep its status. For the third time, we got it first and then again, and we get it again in another 4 years. So welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, friends and family, to the official launch of Mucha Baruka, the verbal swordsman, cutting edge and stepping music. That's when you put your hands together. You know that cutting does something to the brain. In as much as we have your undivided attention here for the time being, please put your money and support all the artisans in the house. The books are also available tonight, and guess what happens tonight? If you purchase tonight, you are able to get it signed by the author. Therefore, you cannot, if I'm getting the correct price over by Ian Randall, 3,700? Tell me. 3,900. That meant I didn't have on my glasses. So I directed the attention